Hi, I'm Michael from Masseuse Massage Chairs. This is the brand new Remedial Deluxe Plus massage chair. It's one of the best massage chairs in the world right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put it together so you can sit back, relax and have one of the best massage experiences you've ever had. First thing I need to do is take it out of the boxes. There is a lot of packaging. The reason we do that is to make sure that when it arrives in your home, it's in the exact same pristine condition as when it left the factory. So first thing to do is get those boxes out of the way. I'm going to get some assistance with that and then I'll show you just how easy it is to put it all together. Let's do this. So once all the packaging's taken away, what you need to do next is put the two sides of the chair on and also the foot unit and plug in the remote control. This is how it's done. So here is the remote control. It goes on simply into this plug socket. And then you screw on the connector here like so. Once that's done, just put it out the way. And then we'll move on to putting the side of the chair on. It's important this hook goes inside the chair. This piece goes inside the little slot at the back of the chair. And then you rock it forward so that the final bracket connects at the front here. Obviously all of that needs to be done after you put the cables in. There is a cable tie on the side. You take the cable tie off, connect the hose and the plugs, and then do as we discussed. Here we go. Blue goes into blue, red into red, and air hose into air hose. Make sure the air hose on goes on nice and tight so it doesn't come loose, and then you're going to wrap it in this material sock here so that it doesn't crimp. Now I tuck those all inside the chair. So once this is all tucked back inside the chair, we start with this connector going inside the chair, the slot at the back here. We tuck the chair over the hook and then we jiggle it into position. Like so. So now you've got two Allen screws that need to go in each of these holes. Sometimes they can be a little bit fiddly. Second one here. Now I'm going to come up the side of the chair. So in behind here, you have a zipper. You want to make sure that's open, and then you're just putting this screw in one of the holes that you can see exposed here. Sometimes a little bit tricky to line up, but once you've got it in the right spot, once that's done, do the zipper back up. And you have one side connected. So again, the three most important components on the side of this chair is the 4 cords and the air hose, this number at the back here, and also the bracket at the front. And if you look at the side of the chair, cords and air hose, and this bracket on the side here. Now I need to put this section of the side of the arm, if I flip it over you'll be able to see it. This section where the zip is, undo that zip. That needs to go over the side of this bracket. Okay? So first of all, I'm going to start with cords, pretty straightforward, match up the colours. They only go in one way. Making sure you're pushing that air hose all the way on to the bracket, and also making sure you got no cable ties and tucking this all the way back into the chair so it doesn't crimp when the customer goes to use it. And of course, the material goes over the top. Tuck that in. Now, starting at the back, putting that into the right section first, lifting up the front of the chair, of the side of the chair, putting the arm over the bracket, and then a little jiggy into place. So now you've got 2 Allen screws that need to go in each of these holes, and 1 Allen key screw inside. So once these pieces are on and the brackets are ready, we just lift up the leg unit, slot it into place, again making sure that you tuck the air hose and the wires out the way, fold this down on both sides, and then put the screws in. Also, don't forget to put the cover back on once the screws are in, and then repeat on the other side. Cover back on. Now this zip needs to be done up to connect the cushion to the foot unit. Tuck that away. Last thing to do, connect the kettle cord, sit back, relax, and enjoy an amazing massage experience. So there you have it, the brand new Remedial Deluxe Plus massage chair. All that's left to do, plug in the cord at the back, click the switch on, sit back, relax, and enjoy an amazing massage experience.